Hey everyone, this is Tyler back for another TLA whiteboard session. Today we're kind of going to go over pump footprints and capabilities when it comes to evaluating, central plants where you have more than one, 2, 3, 4 different pumps that you're trying to arrange in a mechanical room, and you're trying to figure out the most efficient ways of doing that. One misnomer is that vertical inline pumps take up less space. However, depending on your piping accessories and how you have your standard pump details, it could take up equal or more floor space than a standard base mount in suction or a split case pump. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Another thing is the ASHRAE expected useful life of a inline pump is 16 years. Base mounted pump, 23 years. And some would say once you get to these larger pumps in terms of split case pumps, it could be greater than that. However, another thing to keep in mind, if you do have 3, 4, 5 pumps in a row, getting access and serviceability to those interior pumps when you do vertical inline pumps could be cumbersome, especially once you get into larger horsepower frames. The standard base mounted suction pump, it's great for maintainability because you have split coupling here. You can access this side without having to move this side. When you get into larger flows, especially when you start getting into this gray area of, like I call, around 1500 GPM, maybe 150 feet ahead, we should at least start considering going a split case pump. Because at some of those duty points, the footprint could be less and you can get even more efficient with your piping configuration when it comes to your supply and discharge headers. In addition, they just typically are a very robust pump to utilize in those heavier duty points. So have a discussion with us, how you're arranging your mechanical room, what's the best fit, life cycle costs, maintainability of your pumping system. Hope that was a quick little snapshot of things to just be aware of and misnomers in industry when laying out pumping systems. Thanks again.